In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop shuffle play on Deezer. If you are playing a particular album or a playlist that you've created inside of Deezer's and you do not want it all of the songs to shuffle and want it to play in an order, make sure that the shuffle option is off by tapping on the shuffle icon on the bottom right. So open up any song that you're currently playing and make sure that this option is turned off, which you can make sure by this dot right here underneath this icon. So if the shuffle is off, the dot will disappear, and if the shuffle is on, the dot will appear on the bottom. So this is the way that you turn on and turn off shuffle inside of a particular playlist or a album that you're playing inside of Deezer. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.